Here are some Java IDE improvements, including Maven and general improvements of Eclipse 2022-09. Improvements that have been added since the last release in June 2022, 3 months ago. Java 19 support is not yet built in, due to the Java 19 release being a week after the release of Eclipse. But you can install the current preview of the Java 19 support via the Eclipse Marketplace. Eclipse is shipped with Java 17, the latest long-term support version which is used and required to run Eclipse. Other Java versions used for coding have to be added in the Preferences, Java, Install JREs. The Cleanups dialog has been improved. There are 2 new buttons at the bottom of each tab, Select All and Deselect All. And at the bottom of the dialog there are 2 more new buttons, Restore Defaults to restore the defaults of Eclipse, and Reset Profile to revert the changes made since opening the dialog. In the Java Feature tab there are 2 cleanups that have been improved. In the Java 14 section, Convert to Switch Expression, and in the Java 5 section, Convert to Enhanced For Loops. Convert to Switch Expression will be applied not only, as in the past, when all switch cases end in an assignment of the same variable or a throw of an exception, but also now when all cases either end in a return or a throw of an exception. Convert to Enhanced For Loops now simplifies, when possible, not only regular for loops, but also while loops with an iterator to for each loops. The new JUnit Test Suite dialog now also supports the creation of a JUnit 5 suite, which includes tests via the Select Classes annotation. There are a couple of improvements for Maven. In the POM editor, there is now code completion also for directory and file-based values. For example, when specifying the relative path of the parent, or when adding a module. A manifest specified in the Maven jar plugins configuration will now be automatically created and updated. So its entries can be read at runtime without the need to run a Maven build before. Annotation processor support for Maven projects is now built in as well, but disabled by default. It can be generally enabled in the Preferences, Maven, Annotation Processing, or per project by adding the property M2E APT activation with the value JDT_APT in the POM. And when running a Maven build, the log is now colored thanks to the ANSI Escape plugin, which has become part of Eclipse. That's nice, isn't it? The support of ANSI escape codes in the console view is a general improvement for any printing to the console, including, for instance, Windows batch scripts, and Java applications. There are ANSI escape codes for text formatting and to set the text and background color respectively. The ANSI support is enabled by default and can be configured in the Preferences, Run Debug, Console, ANSI support. Another general improvement is the option in Launch Configurations, in the Common tab, to use the system encoding. There are two new preferences. In General, Editors, Text Editors, there is the new option Enable Word Wrap when opening an editor. And in General, Workspace, the severity for missing project encoding can be set. The file search has been optimized. It is now noticeably faster than before. Hits are displayed earlier, even before the search completes, making it feel even more faster. That's cool, isn't it? These were some of the Java IDE improvements of the quarterly rolling release September 2022. Thanks for watching and happy coding!